everybody, it's Vlogmas day. I don't even know what day it is. 14, and right now the time is 9:48. I just went to my chiropractor appointment because I'm having tailbone problems. I've had tailbone problems really badly for the last year, but otherwise I've kind of had them on and off. But I'm gonna go to the mall right now because I wanted to go last week and I didn't have time, and I don't like going during the middle of the week because there's not a lot of great deals. But I have 2 coupons for Victoria's Secret / Pink that I just don't want to go to waste. So I'm gonna go there real quick, get some shopping done, head home. We'll probably have some lunch, and then we're gonna go out and about today with the family. I got money that's expiring at Macy's, and I cannot pass up $20 of free stuff because I bought my husband a watch for Christmas. So we're gonna go there. We're gonna go to one of my favorite restaurants that we go to for lunch, Cafe Zupa's. If you guys have one near you, you definitely want to try it. But yeah, it's like 25 degrees outside. It's kind of like snowing / sleeting. I don't know what we're in for tonight, but it's gonna be cold, and I think the roads are gonna get bad. So I want to get everything done right away. So I'm going shopping. Hey you guys, so I look like crap. Hold on. I look like crap because Ben and I had a wrestling match and my hair got all messed up, my makeup. Guys! So Ben already just opened number 14, and what do you got? Another Christmas one. This one has presents on it, and I don't know who it is. It doesn't say the name, but we got another one. Chocolate! Of Christmas. So I don't know chocolate. If they're a bunch of Christmas ones or not, but that's cool. Ben wants to show you chocolate.
What is it?
Thought you in a hurry, little man.
What's this one?
Okay, we gotta find number 14. Hold on, honey. Where is number 14? Did you ever open number 12? Oh, there's chocolate in number 12.
Let's open all of them.
Well, okay, let's see what else we got. Should just take the doors off of the ones you open. Okay, here's 14, honey.
We got 2.
Here's another chocolate. What'd you get?
Woody.
Woody? Did you open 13, or did we miss that one too?
What's this one?
Well, don't open all of them. That's 23. You gotta wait a little bit. Okay, let's show your advent calendar.
What?
The book.
Where?
I don't think today's 14 actually, honey. So you gotta find number 14.
2.
Number 14.
Oh, this one?
No, where's 14?
This one?
No, 14's right here.
I gotta go. Mommy, you eat it.
Okay, just put it down. Thanks.
We got 2 of those.
Okay, open it up, honey. Open number 14.
This one.
I just showed you 14.
This one.
I just showed you 14.
Here.
This one.
Huh. Oh. Yeah.
Monsters University. Okay, you guys, so he took all the books out because he was playing with them.
No calendars anymore.
We still got more calendars, so there is that.
No, you don't have any more calendars.
Okay. But yeah, I look like...
any more calendars?
Okay.
We messed up Mommy's calendar.
So we went out today. We went out to...
We went to adventure.
We went on a little adventure. We went to Macy's, and the place was a zoo. It was just crazy. Like, there had Santa there, and there was like 20 people in line to see Santa. But I ended up getting 2 shirts for Charlotte and a shirt for Ben, and I paid like $6 because I had $20 worth of credit. So we did that. And then we went to a lunch place for lunch, and I got...
I'll show you my book pile over there.
Oh, he wants to show you the book collection over there? Yeah. Then we went to McDonald's today because he wanted a Happy Meal, and they ended up giving us apples that expired 4 days ago. So I was kind of mad, you know. It's like, seriously, 4 days ago?
I got a Happy Meal toy, and it clicks inside my...
Can you show them what
keychain.
Happy Meal toy you got?
It's a girl one.
It's a girl one?
I like girls.
You don't like girls?
Look, that happened. Oh!
Here, bring it closer so they can see it. Oh, it's not gonna listen. What do you got? What does it do?
Look at the black.
Oh, cool. Miss Charlotte's just got done eating, but yeah. So it is.
Dad is watching the
It's
Peter,
5:57.
I'm just watching Peter. It's annoying.
It's 5:57. We're just gonna relax. I got some picking up to do, so I'm gonna make everybody pick up for 5 minutes.
Me?
Yes. Everybody's gonna pick up for 5 minutes, and then
Daddy?
we're gonna have a little snack, and then the kids are gonna get ready for bed. So it's just kind of a relaxing day. I got a big day.
Now it's time for bedtime.
Yeah, and I got a big day tomorrow. I got to start preparing for couponing day tomorrow, you guys. So, yeah. So if I look like crap, I am sorry.
Shao has
But,
no feet.
you want to say goodbye to everybody? She's strapped in. She's okay. Say hi.
Hi, baby.
Miss Charlotte kind of took a crawl today. She kind of took like 2 steps, but it's not full crawl yet. But, yeah. So we'll see.
Skip the video.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Have a Merry Christmas Day. Ho, ho, ho. And eat junk.
Okay. See you guys later. Bye-bye.